Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we dive headfirst into the high-risk world of heavy-duty transport. Hold your breath, because what you're about to see will make your heart pound. Don't blink, don't look away. Let's roll. The crane tipped in an instantone moment of imbalance, and the beast came crashing down.
Oh!
The dump truck tipped forward. Looks like the load was too front heavy. One miscalculation, and down it went. A 1,991 machine riding water like a boat and smashing ice like a warhammer, that's not a myth. That's many muck. One tight turn, and boom, the rear load slipped off like it had a mind of its own. That's the risk of hauling heavy on curves. Oh no, it's tipping to one side while turning uphill. That's every operator's worst nightmare. One careless drop and it nearly turned into a disaster. In this game, even the smallest mistake can cost you big.
Oh shit.
Boom. Job done, nano machine, no problem. Sometimes brute force is all you need.
Just like that.
Exactly what he said it would do.
Demolition with a wrecking ball, simple, powerful, and surprisingly safe when done right. This isn't driving, this is domination. The Sisu SA-150 Masi claws its way up snowy cliffs and into the wild without hesitation. The way he's moving, either there's a fire or a bathroom emergency.
Tao ô tô ngồi anh thì đứng ngoài đây. Thôi anh giả chết máy 3 lần rồi. Em đã bảo.
No doubt about it, this machine was born to conquer mud and crush obstacles. It doesn't flinch, it charges. This is exactly why regular vehicle inspections are a must. One failure, and it could have been a tragedy. Thankfully, no one was nearby. Stay sharp, stay focused. Behind the wheel, 1 second of distraction can change everything. No doubt this is a tug of war, and it's as evenly matched as it gets. Steel versus steel, power versus power. A familiar scene for veteran drivers stuck in the middle of a swamp. Wheels spin like fury, but there's no traction. The engine roars in defiance, yet the more you push the throttle, the thicker the smoke billows from the exhaust. I don't know how that truck sank so deep, but one thing's for sure. Out here, you're never alone. The crew always comes to pull you out. No doubt about it, stuck deep in the snow. When raw power isn't enough, it's time to call in backup. The tow team never fails. Rock doesn't stand a chance. With this fixed hammer crusher powered by up to 180 horsepower, even the toughest stones surrender. Watch as it digs 12 centimeters deep and grinds solid earth into dust. The brake was set, but sometimes that's not enough. For his safety, he had no choice but to jump. Not enough front weight and climbing uphill? That front lift was bound to happen. Simple physics. Looks like he's been doing a wheelie down the road for a while now. Did someone forget the front weight, or is this a new stunt? slippery roads and a sudden loss of control always dangerous. But thankfully, this time, no serious damage was done.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found these innovations as fascinating as we did. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next one.